गाजा का रेजोल्यूशन नहीं, अभी नहीं दूंगा मैंने आप लोगों को 3 दफा, इनको 1 दफा 2 दफा आपको दे दिया। नहीं प्लीज गाजा का पढ़े जी। शाजिया मरी साहबा का माइक खोले।
सर आई विश टू मूव, ये गाजा का रेजोल्यूशन है, आप लोगों ने साइन किया है। I wish to move under Rule 288 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly, 2007, that the requirements of Rules 51, 55, 57 and 158 of the said rules in respect of ballot of private members' resolutions, orders of the day and notice of resolution for today may be suspended in order to take up resolution. So motion moved. Okay.
नहीं ठहर, now put the motion to the House. The question is that motion has moved be adopted. All those in favor of the motion may say aye. All those in favor of the motion may say aye. All those against it may say no. आप लोग गाजा के लिए नो कर रहे हैं। मैं फिर से मोशन पुट करता हूं। मेरा ख्याल है कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग, नो की आदत जब पड़ जाए ना तो फिर इंसान के नो, हम भी जब इधर बैठते थे नो ही कहते थे। ऑल दोज इन फेवर ऑफ द मोशन में से आए, शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। ऑल दोज अगेंस्ट इट में से नो। भाई हम नोट कर लिया, जिसने नो कहा हम लिख लेंगे कि गाजा की उन्होंने रेजोल्यूशन पे ना कहा है। I think the ayes have it, consequently the motion is adopted almost unanimously. जी अब मूव कीजिए।
Speaker Saab, I would like to inform that all political parties in this House today have signed this resolution. This House recognizes this day as the International Day to Combat Islamophobia, reiterates that Islam is a religion of peace, tolerance and acceptance, categorically condemns Israel's war on Palestine, where the latest attack cost 21 lives of Palestinians standing in the line for aid during the holy month of Ramzan, denounces the continued Israeli aggression which has led to the loss of over 30,000 lives since October 7th, 2023, calls upon the federal government to play a more proactive role in pushing the international community to enforce a ceasefire. Thank you, sir.
Now I put the resolution to the House. The question is that resolution has moved be adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ना कर रहे हैं आप? I think the ayes have it. खुदा का वास्ता है, इसको तो unanimous रहने दें. I think the ayes have it. Consequently, the resolution is adopted.